How to see and delete Google Chrome Incognito history. First, let's open Google Chrome and go to the Incognito mode. Now let's try opening some websites. Now let's close all of the tabs. For you to view your Google Chrome Incognito history, you have to go to the search bar right beside the start icon. Now look for command prompt. You just have to go here, do a right click and select Run as Administrator. Now for the prompt, what you want to type in is ipconfig/displaydns. Now just click enter. You will be then able to see the websites you recently opened on incognito mode. Now let's save this file in a text format in Drive D. For that you have to type in this command. After that, just click on enter. If you now head to Drive D, then you will be able to see the file that we just saved. Moving forward, if you want to delete the incognito history, you again have to go to the search bar and look for command prompt. Now again head to Run as Administrator, and now this time you have to type in this command. Here it says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So there you have it. That is how you see and delete Google Chrome Incognito history. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.